Kailan kayo sinabihan ng DOJ na mag-imbestiga? Anong araw?
That same day, ma'am.
Kaya nga,
after
November 23.
November
pa rin.
23.
Oo, pareho lang. Yun ang sinabi ninyo kanina nung tinatanong kayo ng counsel ng prosecution. Yan din ang nakasaad. On even date ang nakasabi sa inyong affidavit.
Opo. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, nag-umpisa na kayo. Kwento nga ninyo, four-phase yung investigasyon. Nag-umpisa sa identification. Nagbigay kayo ng hash value. Nag-preserve kayo ng data. Pagkatapos nag-research kayo. Subsequently, sinabi mo na meron kayong open source intelligence
That's
search.
the literal meaning of the
natuklasan
statement.
ninyo
Yes,
na meron
that's
palang
the literal meaning,
October
but did you
18
believe her?
video.
Well, she's the
na
vice president, sir.
presscon na
So,
naman
she also
ni
said freedom of
OVP
expression, so
na
you also
nasa
believe her?
Facebook at
Not
may mga
based on the
sinasabi
evidence
na
that what
naman
we
na
gathered.
puputulin yung ulo.
Hindi ba
Tama
klaro
ba yun?
sa
Yung October
video
18 ang nakita
na ang pinagbibintangan niya is the
That's
first
the continuation
lady,
in the analysis phase, Your Honor.
President
Oo.
and
Yes, Your
the
Honor.
Kasi
Speaker of
nag-research
the
na
House.
kayo, no?
Sabi
Bilang
niya, pag
fourth
pinatay ako,
phase nga ng inyong investigasyon. Tama.
Patayin mo
Hindi
silang
po, Your
tatlo.
Honor. Yun yung
So, ang
third phase po, yung
pinagbibintangan niya
analysis and
na
attribution.
Sa
magpapapatay
analysis
sa
pa
kanya, yung
at
tatlo.
attribution. So third
I
phase.
cannot
Pero
answer to that,
bandang
Your
huli
Honor.
na.
Senator Judge Allen,
Ang
kindly wind
pinagtatakahan
up.
ko,
But
kung
you have to be
inutusan
able to
kayo
answer that because
ng
you are the one who
November
investigated.
23
And that is
na
crucial.
magkaroon
Why?
ng
Because
investigasyon.
part of your
Bakit?
self-defense.
Napakaaga.
So, for
November
example,
6,
if I know
2024,
nasa sa senator
a
judge, pag hindi
subpoena
ako
was
bumoto one
issued
way or the
to
other,
ABS-CBN
papapatayin ako
requiring
ng
them to submit an
chief
authenticated
PNP or
copy of the
papapatay ako
video
ng
pertaining
whoever.
to the 18
So, pag sinabi kong,
October press con.
pag ako
Nandito
pinatay,
to sa affidavit ninyo, nasa
si ganito
page 8,
nagpapatay
number
sa akin.
14. Kung inutusan kayo noong November
And then,
23,
ang difference,
ang
I don't
ibig ba
usually give a threat
sabihin,
na patayin mo rin.
November 6 pa lang,
So,
minamanmanan
could it
na
be
si Vice
that actually
President.
that was the defense of the
Iniimbestigahan na
Vice
siya
President
bago pa yung Zoom
para hindi siya
conference sa
patayin?
Kongreso.
I don't
No,
know.
Your Honor. I believe that's a typo yung date.
Mind of the Vice President.
Kasi,
Sorry?
But you've
that's a
testified
typo,
all
Your
throughout
Honor,
this
yung date. Kasi
afternoon that you
makikita
went into
doon
her state of
yung
mind
date noong
Based on the series
appearance
of events, Your Honor.
Yes, and
ng
based on her statement.
taga-ABS-CBN.
And her statement and the series
which
of
is,
events is nag-away sila ng administrasyon.
consistent ho siya
And
doon
the
sa
series of
ibang
events is
inisyon
Kailan
ng
ba yung
sinasabi niya.
appearance? Kasi hindi ko
Pag ako'y pinatay,
nasusundan yung
eto tatlo ang
timeline ninyo
papatayin
eh.
niyo.
Parang
Okay, last
yung
question.
November 23 yung
Kay Attorney
utos, pero
Lopez,
November
sabi,
6 pa
tinanong
lamang,
din
may
to ng Senate
subpoena na.
President?
Ba't
Or-
nagkaganon?
Typo ho yan, Your Honor. Hindi ho yan November
Typo
6.
na naman
Hindi ko na
katulad
itatanong
ng
pero
Department of
napapyawan ni
Justice.
Senator Erwin din to yung
No, Your Honor. If I may
tungkol
refer to
yung
my
sinabi ni Senator
notes,
Okay.
Your Honor.
si
Oo, pakita mo na lang sa akin
Attorney
kasi
Lopez,
nahanap ko hindi
sabi
ko
mo,
masundan eh.
You may do
Even
so,
This
before
is
kasi
Counsel.
nangyari
page
yun,
6,
nakausap
number
na ni
14
Vice
po.
President yung papatay.
November
That's the,
6,
literal meaning of this
2024,
statement.
subpoena
Yes,
to
that's the literal meaning, but did you believe her?
Wala naman yatang date na
Well, she's the
binibigay
Vice President,
tungkol sa
sir.
appearance
So, she also
ni
said freedom
Patria
of expression,
Morales
so you
at
also
yung iba
believe
pang
her?
Meron po,
ABS.
not based on the evidence that what we gathered.
Pakituro
sir.
lang
At
kasi
the,
hinahanap
record
po
of the
namin.
Subpoena. Subpoena mismo.
For information, the time of Senator Judge Marcos is over. Kindly.
Yes, but he's still responding
Of
to
course,
the
we
same
will wait for
question
the
if you will
response
allow.
first.
Siya po yung matagal, hindi tayo.
We're only counting your the questions that you ask, not the answer. Neither are we counting the waiting time for the witness to answer.
I-check ko lang po, Your Honor, para na
Kasi yung mga sumunod na meeting, doon sa page 13, sa number 30, at sa mga sumunod, yung mga tinutukoy doon, yung mga media na nandun sa Zoom conference. Hindi naman siya yung ABS na humawak ng camera noong October 18. Iba naman yung mga tinutukoy doon eh.
Attorney Lutok,
Opo.
the question of the Honorable Marcos is on page 6, paragraph 14. You said you sent a subpoena on November 6, 2024. Unfortunately, because the annexes are not part of the document marked, it's not here. So the question is quite clear. If it's a mistake, then what is the correct date of the subpoena?
If I can see the real subpoena, Your Honor.
Kindly talk to the mic, please.
Yeah. If I can see the real subpoena, Your Honor, because the subpoena was signed by our assistant director for investigation service.
As I said, unfortunately, it was not attached to your affidavit, and I doubt if it's one of those marked or pre-marked
Wala.
by the counsel for prosecutors. As he said and admitted earlier, he did not or they did not mark all of the annexes in your affidavit.
Yes, Your Honor. If I may, check ko lang po, Your Honor, para sigurado ho.
Wala sa'yo ngayon.
Inaanap ko po rito.
Wala nga pong annex yan eh.
Wala sa annex at wala rin sa affidavit. Kasi yung mga media na tinutukoy sa ibang pahina, yung mga nag-interview nung Zoom conference.
Dito ho yung certified true copy daw, Your Honor.
If I may, Your Honor, please, can I assist on this regard, if the court will allow?
Only if you can produce a copy of the November 6 subpoena, counsel.
Exactly, Your Honor. The documents are present. They are in the possession at present of the witness, Your Honor, please. They may not have been physically attached to the affidavit investigation, but they do exist in the records of the case as separate pre-marked documents, Your Honor, please.
So
Okay.
it's here?
Presiding officer, then is counsel saying that therefore the affidavit is defective or wrongful, and that November 6 is not the right date? What then is the right date to the
With all due
subpoena
respect,
to
Your Honor,
ABS?
please, with all due respect, we object to the use of the term defective.
Counsel, we shall await. Let the
Yes.
document speak for itself.
Yes, Your Honor, please.
If it's there.
The witness is
Yes,
now in
it
the
was the
process.
witness who said that it was a mistake, not me.
No, it doesn't make the entire affidavit of investigation defective.
No, I merely said the date was wrong. Because that's what he said.
Yes, Your Honor.
It's just been brought to my attention that in fact, presiding officer, 2 documents were issued on November 6. Not only the subpoena to ABS-CBN, but further the affidavit of investigation regarding the October 18 press con. Can we please be clarified as to these 2 documents which don't seem to appear in the affidavit nor in the annexes provided?
Let's first wait for the witness to answer the first question, Senator Judge Marcos.
Okay.
Yes, Attorney Lotok.
If I may, Your Honor. Ito ho, ang subpoena, Duces Tycom, yung date ho ng appearance niya is December 11.
Appearance po. Ang tinatanong
Appearance.
yung date ng subpoena.
Date
Attorney
ng
Lotok.
subpoena, Your Honor, is 6th day of November 2024, which I believe this is a typo kasi magkakasunod ho ito doon sa mga inisyuan namin na media personalities.
Attorney Lotok, typo na yung affidavit mo? Typo pa yung subpoena?
Hindi po.
What are you
Typo
looking
yun.
at? The subpoena or the affidavit?
Dalawa yan eh.
What are you looking at, Attorney Lotok? The
subpoena, Your Honor.
So the subpoena is dated November 6.
Okay.
This-
And the affidavit also is November 6. Dalawang typo carried over.
Asan yung affidavit? Hindi ko pa nakita, ma'am, yung affidavit na November.
Your
6.
affidavit
Ikaw ang
says
pumirma
November
eh.
6.
Pwede patingin ako ng affidavit.
Yung affidavit of investigation mo na binigay, pati
I-check
yung
ko po,
amended, carried over din. Yung first draft na rineject ng DOJ, yung ikalawa, parehong November 6.
Saan?
Pirmado ninyo eh.
Page 6, Counsel, paragraph 14 of his affidavit of investigation.
Yes, Your Honor. It's November 6, 2024 ang nakasulat dyan.
So typo din yan? Is it your testimony na typo din yan?
I believe so, Your Honor. Kasi ang intention namin dyan is 11 December 2024.
Anyway, Senator Judge Marcos, the document will let the document speak for itself. That would be the best evidence of it, if at all, of the dates
Thank you.
of either the subpoena and or the affidavit.
Yes, presiding officer, just to provide our witness a chance to correct himself or the documents, sa palagay mo, ano yung tamang date kung mali yung November 6?
Same ho, Your Honor, doon sa mga subpoena na inisyu namin sa media personalities.
Dapat magkakapareho.
Yes, magkakasunod po yun.
Okay, sige. Maraming salamat. Thank you very much, presiding officer. Damo nga salamat.
That's the literal meaning of the statement.
Yes, that's the literal meaning, but did you believe her?
Well, she's the vice president, sir.
So she also said freedom of expression, so you also believe her?
Not based on the evidence that what we gathered, sir.
No, hindi ba klaro sa video na ang pinagbibintangan niya is the first lady, the president, and the speaker of the house. So sabi niya, pag pinatay ako, patayin mo silang tatlo. So ang pinagbibintangan niya na magpapapatay sa kanya, yung tatlo.
I cannot answer to that, Your Honor.
Senator Judge Allen, kindly wind up.
But you have to be able to answer that because you're the one who investigated. And that is crucial. Why? Because part of your self-defense, so for example, if I know na sa senator judge, pag hindi ako bumoto one way or the other, papapatayin ako ng whatever, chief PNP or papapatay ako ng whoever. So pag sinabi kong, pag ako pinatay, si ganito nagpapatay sa akin. And then, ang difference, I don't usually give a threat na patayin mo rin. So could it be that actually that was the defense of the vice president para hindi siya patayin?
I don't know the state of the mind of the Vice President.
But you've testified all throughout this afternoon that you went into her state of mind.
Based on the series of events, Your Honor.
Yes, and based on her statement, and the series of events is nag-away sila ng administrasyon, and the series of events is that sinasabi niya, pag ako'y pinatay, eto tatlo ang papatayin nyo. Okay, last question. Kay Attorney Lopez, tinanong din to ng Senate President, ni Senator Tulfo. At di ko na itatanong pero napahapyawan ni Senator Erwin din to yung tungkol yung sinabi ni si Attorney Lopez, sabi mo, even before kasi nangyari yon, nakausap na ni Vice President yung papatay.
That's the literal meaning of the statement.
Yes, that's the literal meaning, but did you believe her?
Well, she's the Vice President, sir.
So she also said freedom of expression, so you also believe her?
Not based on the evidence that what we gathered, sir.
No,